Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be part 3 to my Halo Beauty series. This is going to be week 3. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell that pops up next to it so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this reviewing different products, give me a thumbs up and comment down below what products you would want to see. And follow my social media, link in the description. I will see you guys at the end of this video. Hey guys, it is 2:38 on Wednesday, April 11th. We are going to take Halo Beauty. It's day 15, so that brings us to week 3. So far I haven't seen that much difference. I'm not expecting major anything to happen because it is only 30 days. There it is. I haven't seen much difference at all. I have noticed my skin feels a little bit more moisturized. Not sure if that's directly related. We will see when I stop taking it. I'll give you guys those updates too. Hey guys, so it is 2:10 on Thursday, April 12th. Welcome to day 16, and we are going to take the Halo Beauty. Still haven't noticed a lot of changes. I think my nails are getting a little bit longer, but I don't know if that's any longer than it normally would in 30 days. Hey guys, today is day 17. It's Friday, April 13th, and it is 12 p.m. We're gonna take my Halo Beauty. My dog's here, say hello, or just continue sleeping. That's cool too. Still haven't noticed any changes. I think the non-oily hair thing was just placebo effect. Okay. Hey guys, so it is 11 o'clock on Saturday, April 14th, and it is day 18. Little experiment. So we're going to take the Halo Beauty thing, and they're doing some kind of construction near my house. My neighbor is so annoying. So I think my nails are a little bit longer. I don't know if that's as long as they normally would be after a month, because I cut my nails every month because I don't like them being this long. You guys are probably like, this is not long at all. Can you even see how long they are? Not really. They don't even look that long. They're pretty long to me. My hair, I don't see a lot of change. I think it is growing a little bit. It feels a little bit longer. Hey guys, so it is 11:30 on February 15th. Welcome to day 19. It is a Sunday. We're going out to the theater. Before I forget, I wanted to take the Halo Beauty pill. Whoa, that was perfect. It usually comes out more. Still no noticeable change. My hair feels a little softer. I don't know if that's just today or if it's because of the Halo Beauty pills. Hey guys, it is 3 p.m. on Monday, April 16th. I just got back from class, and we also had to finish shooting some stuff that we didn't finish on Thursday, which is why I'm wearing the same shirt. We are going to take the Halo Beauty right now. It is day 20. Did I say it was April 16th? I actually do not remember at all, but it is Monday, April 16th. You're gonna take Halo Beauty. You can't even see it. It's so reflective. How do people get a good shot of a reflective name? That's it. We're almost finished with week 3. Oh my god, tomorrow is the last day of week 3. What is this hair doing? So I haven't seen super incredible magic changes. I do think my nails are a little bit longer than they normally would be right now. I don't know. It's really hard to show you guys. Hold on. They look a little bit longer than normal. Focus on me. Great. Normally by this point I would cut them because I don't like my nails being this long. This isn't even that long, but I don't like them this long. I feel like they are growing longer than normal. I would like to have long nails, but they always start breaking off, and I don't feel like they're going to do that right now. They did a little bit. I do think it's longer. My ring finger tends to be longer than all of my other nails, and also the pinky tends to be longer. Right now I think they're all pretty much equal length. Maybe I'll be able to grow out my nails. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should try out the Halo Beauty thing for longer, maybe 90 days. Let me know if you guys would want me to document that and show you guys the results, like before and after pictures. Just let me know in the comments. Hey guys, it is 2:30 on Tuesday, April 17th. It is day 21. That brings us to the end of week 3 for Halo Beauty. We're gonna take them today. Still haven't seen a super noticeable change, but I have noticed my hair is growing. It's not major that you would see a real big significant difference, but I can see the difference. In person, I don't think it would show up that well on the camera, but I have noticed it's growing longer. My nails are longer. My skin, I don't really know what's going on with my skin. My toenails aren't growing as long as my fingernails, and you're probably like, this isn't long, but this is long for me. I'm thinking that it's working. I noticed my hair, it's a lot shinier. My hair doesn't need to be that much shinier because it's already naturally shiny. It is a bit shinier and it feels a little bit better. I don't know though. It has days when it feels great and then it has days when it doesn't feel like I did anything different. I don't know. I have really mixed feelings about this. We'll wait another week before I give my final thoughts and everything. Okay guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is big, it's red. Click that notification bell that pops up next to it so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!